Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you for coming back for the third and the final part of our series Temples of Almora. Jai Mata Di. This one is a Devi temple, my favorite, loaded with mystery, amazing history, Kasar Devi. Kasar Devi is a village near Almora in Uttarakhand. It is known for the Devi temple dedicated to Kasar Devi, after whom the place is also named. Kasar Devi first became known when in the 1890s Swami Vivekanand visited and meditated here and has mentioned his experiences in his diaries. Many other spiritual seekers from the west have also visited and stayed here. Kasar Devi is situated on a hilltop on the edge of a ridge off the Almora-Bageshwar highway on the Kashe hills of Kumaon Himalayas. As it is situated above the ridge of Almora town, it is accessible through 8 kilometers hike from Almora or 10 kilometers by road. 1 kilometer away is the village of Kalimat, popular with tourists. Also close by is the Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, which lies 30 kilometers away. The hilltop provides beautiful scene of the valley and Himalayas that make it a place suitable for photography. Kasar Devi is also known for Crank's Ridge just outside the village, which was popular destination during the hippie movement of the 1960s and 70s and continues to attract trekkers and tourists both domestic and foreign. The area is home to deodar and pine forests. It also provides views not just of Almora and the Hawalbag Valley but also of the panoramic view of the Himalayas from Bandarpunch Peak on the Himachal Pradesh border to Api Himal in Nepal. A large fair known as Kasar Devi Fair is held at the Kasar Devi temple on the occasion of Kartik Purnima in the Hindu calendar, corresponding to November and December. This place is being developed as a tourist place by the Uttarakhand government. Presently, the work of construction of ropeway from the district headquarters to Kasar Devi is in progress. A winding walkway from the gateway on the main road leads us to the temple. So this was an overview of the place. Now about the temple. The temple consists of two different groups of temple, one of Devi and another of Lord Shiva and Bhairav. The main temple consists of Akhand Jyoti, which keeps on burning 24 hours for years. It also has a Dhuni, Havan Kund, where wood logs are burned 24 hours. Ash of Dhuni is said to be very powerful that can even cure any mental patient. The main shrine of Devi is situated inside a cave-like formation by the huge rocks. City buses, taxis and cabs can take you there at suitable prices, but it can also be reached by hiking and trekking. So this was all the history, mystery and the overview of the temple and this place. Now let's go and see it in person. Let's go. Now I'm going to tell you the most amazing, interesting and mysterious information about this temple. Kasar Devi is one of the most significant Durga temples in Uttarakhand. According to Skand Puran, the ancient cave temple was established by Yakshas and Gandharvas, that is, nature spirits and heavenly beings. The Devi Bhagwat Puran describes Kashe Hill as the place where Kaushiki Devi slayed the demons Shumbh and Nishumbh. There is an imprint of goddess Durga's lion on the rock face behind the idol, which is a natural phenomenon. Kasar Devi is also famous for being one of the 3 places on earth under the influence of the Van Allen belt, which according to research by NASA is a powerful electromagnetic field of immense positive energy created by cosmic rays and solar wind. This unique distinction of Kasar Devi has attracted sages, mystics and yogis through the ages, and visitors today can experience the positive energy and serenity which has remained undiminished. इस पर्वत की एक गुफा में सितंबर 1890 में स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कठोर आध्यात्मिक साधनाएं की थी। यहाँ उन्हें उच्च से उच्च आध्यात्मिक अनुभूतियां हुई। तथा उनका मुखमंडल दिव्य ज्योति से अलौकिक हो गया। परंतु जब वे आध्यात्मिक अनुभूति के शीर्ष पर पहुंचे, तब उनके अंदर पीड़ित मानव जाति की सेवा करने की एक तीव्र इच्छा जागृत हुई और वे अपने व्यक्तिगत आध्यात्मिक आनंद को छोड़कर जगतार्थ कार्य करने हेतु बाहर निकल पड़े। With this, we complete the tour of this mysterious and magnificent temple, Kasar Devi. After that climb, one feels hungry, and for that, to grab a bite, you can come down to this place called the Imperial Heights. This resort is just round the corner. Just as you walk down from the temple, you will find it. In front of it is a handloom shop called Himadri Hans Handloom, where you can find the local and handmade stuff. Next to it is a very pretty looking restaurant called the Himalayan Woods. And just opposite to it is the Imperial Heights. Right now I am going inside this because I've heard the food quality here is amazing, and especially their Chinese is really good. This is the way in. It's a beautiful resort. You can come and stay here. This in front is their main restaurant. This is a little play area outside for the kids. Next to this is the main reception area and the rooms. And this is the main restaurant. Next to this is the kitchen. I'm really hungry and I'm going inside now. And with this, we come to the end of the final part of our series, Temples of Almora. Thank you for watching all the 3 parts, and if you have not, then go and check them out now. I will be back really soon with more interesting videos for you. For that, you need to subscribe to the channel. Like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for being with me on this beautiful journey. I will be back really soon. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.